Emma wakes up early on Saturday morning. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Emma feels happy because it is a beautiful day. She looks out of her window. What is that in the garden? She sees something different, something new. Emma smiles with curiosity. After breakfast, Emma puts on her shoes. She walks to the garden. There she sees many colorful flowers. Red roses, yellow daisies, and pink tulips dance in the breeze. Emma loves her garden. But today, something special is hiding there. Emma walks slowly. She wants to find the surprise. She looks under the big tree. She looks near the small pond. Then she hears a soft sound. It is coming from the flower bed. Emma goes closer. Suddenly she sees a little cat. It is small and fluffy. The cat looks at Emma with big, bright eyes. Emma is surprised but happy. She sits down on the grass. The cat comes closer to her. Emma gently pets the cat. The cat purrs and rubs its head against her hand. Emma feels a warm feeling in her heart. She is not alone in the garden now. Emma decides to name the cat Bella. Bella looks very happy. Emma thinks Bella was lost and found her way to this garden. Emma goes inside the house. She gets a small bowl of milk for Bella. Bella drinks the milk quickly. She is a hungry little cat. Emma laughs softly. Bella finishes the milk and looks grateful. Now, Emma and Bella play together in the garden. They run and chase each other. Emma throws a ball and Bella runs after it. They have a lot of fun. The sun starts to set and the sky turns orange and pink. Emma and Bella sit together and watch the sunset. Emma feels peaceful. She knows she has found a new friend. As the stars appear, Emma picks up Bella and carries her inside. Emma prepares a cozy bed for Bella in the corner of her room. Bella curls up and falls asleep quickly. Emma smiles and whispers, "Good night, Bella." She is glad that Bella found her. Now, Emma knows that every day can have a little surprise. She looks forward to more days with Bella. Emma turns off the light and goes to bed. She dreams of more adventures with Bella in her beautiful garden. It is a perfect ending to a lovely day.